Hi, this is Tuck. We're sitting here in our new King Ranch truck, 2020. This truck is equipped with the ultimate trailer package, which includes all the cameras and then the backup assist for easily backing up a trailer. So we're going to show you in a quick tutorial here how to set this up and then how to use the system. So you'll see here in your manual, Ford gives you some instructions. You need to measure from the license plate to the center of the hitch, then to the center of the hitch to the sticker you're going to place, from the camera down to the sticker, and then from the license plate to the center of the axles. Now we do have a 2-axle trailer here, so we're going to be following to the center of the 2 axles, not the center of the axle if you were doing a single one. So let's take these measurements and show you how this works. So what you're going to want to do is place the sticker. Now we're looking at the camera system here. We want to make sure that it's visible. And I mean, a nice place to probably place it would be opposite of the brake over here. There's a nice flat area that we can place on. So let's go back there, take some measurements, and see if that's going to be the good place to put the sticker. So looking at our guide here, you're going to want to put the sticker between 7 and 20 inches from the center of the hitch. So as you see, the center of the hitch is about right there, and 20 inches puts us back by that little circle there where the plug goes into. So we're going to have to try to place it right there between the 16 and 20 inch mark. It's going to be a little tight in this trailer's case, but that's the only place we have to put it, so hopefully it works. Okay, we have our sticker placed. So the first measurement here is A. That's going to be from the license plate to the center of the ball. All right, so from the license plate, center of the ball is right there. We are right on 14.5 inches. We're going to write that down. Now B is the distance between the center of the ball and the center of the sticker. All right, so center of the ball to center of the sticker is right on 18 inches. All right, C is from the camera to the center of the sticker. Now this is the camera, and the camera is in the center there. So we're measuring from the center of that to the center of the sticker. It looks like we're about 44.5 inches. Now the final measurement is from the license plate to the center of our 2 axles. So we're flush with the license plate there, and eyeball into the center of the axles. Looks to be about, we'll say 176. Okay, we got all our measurements recorded, so we're going to go in here to the trailer setup. Going to add a trailer. We'll name this real quick. All right, this is the Beast trailer. This is an 8-ton trailer called the Beast. We got it named in. So we have electric brakes, trailer brake effort, we'll put about medium, roll in the middle. We have conventional towing setup. We are going to add in our trailer blind spot. This will give us a blind spot all the way down the back of the trailer. Another nice feature on this truck. Okay, so it does fit between 9 and 33 feet. We were 21 feet. Measurements have been saved. We want to do backup assist, yes. Okay, drive forward to straighten the trailer. I think it wants to make sure that the sticker's in the right place, so we're driving. All right, so we shifted to park. We have now placed the sticker. Moving on to the next step. Okay, so we're looking at measurement A that we took was 14.5 inches. That was from the license plate to the ball. Measurement B was from the center of the ball to the center of the sticker, which was 18 inches. Maximum value reach, we're going to have to go 17.5. And then we were 44.5 from the camera to the center of the sticker. And to the center of the axle, we were 176. Okay. Confirm all that. Looks accurate. It's detecting the trailer. It picked up the sticker. It's asking us, is that what you see? And yes, that is our sticker placement. So it has recognized it. We're going to say yes. So it says that our setup is complete. Measurements are saved. And now we have trailer reverse guidance in the Pro Trailer Backup. We're setting up the Pro Trailer Backup. It's detecting the sticker. Now it's going to have to calibrate it. So we are going to have to drive forward here to calibrate. This is standard. This did it with the other trailer that I did. All right, it said that the calibration was complete. We only had to move about 100 feet. I could have kept the video rolling. Sorry that I paused it. But now it says if we go into reverse, we will be able to activate it. So I'm going to toss the camera over to Patricia here, and she'll show you how this works. So real quick, I'm going to show you some of the more fancier camera. You see we got the overhead view and the trailer view here, but we do have this backup view, which is really nice because you can see far down both sides. So we are backing up, and as you see, I got this little knob down here. So all I'm going to do, I'm going to start to turn to the right. You're turning the way you want to go, and you see how the trailer starts to go right. So I'm going right, going right. Now if I want to straighten out at this position, if I just let it go back to center, the truck will automatically straighten it out. So we're going to just kind of go a little more right, get in the center of this lane here. Let it straighten out a little bit. Now I'm going to go back left, like we're going straight down the lane. You see the truck's doing all the work for us. I let go, it'll straighten right down that path. I'm going to keep going. Let's see what we can do. So we're just driving. So I'm going to make a 90-degree turn here where that bus is. You can see. Holding the knob. Just letting the truck go straight at this point, so I'm not doing anything. And now we're going to start to turn left. Now I'm just going to position it pretty far left. I'm on the brake here, so I'm moving kind of slow. Don't want to jackknife the trailer, but you can see I can back it right around that corner, and the truck is doing all the work. I'm not doing anything. So once I get around the corner, you can see I'm almost to where I want to be straight. I'm just going to let go of the switch now, and you see it's just going to straighten out all on its own. It's a pretty beautiful system that we have there. All right, well, thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped set everything up for you if you needed the help, and then you can see what this truck has to offer. I mean, since I've been using this truck, we've had it a little over a month. I mean, the backing up, these trailer pictures, I mean, I know how to back up a trailer as good as anybody, but I mean, using this camera system, having the blind spot monitoring, having the backup assist, I mean, all these features make it so you can really control the vehicle, whether you're a rookie or a pro. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.